All right, go.
Drilling holes or whatever for the tub to fit on these springs. They're already pre-fit for you. You put them through the test. So, all right, guys, this is John at JeepsterMan, and we also have my son, Jeepster Boy, as some of you know him. We're burning the midnight oil here, so he works with me in the shop sometimes. But today we wanted to talk about our US-made leaf springs and just go over these leaf springs and tell you a few things about our springs that sets them apart from other competitors and springs that are out there. Obviously, we offer the Crownonomic springs just like everybody else does, but JeepsterMan has their own line of US-made springs. So I also want to caution you about something. There are some competitors out there that are selling US assembled springs, but the material may not come from the US. So at JeepsterMan and our springs, you not only have a spring that is assembled right here in the United States, but all of our material is from the United States or North America. So none of our spring material is coming from overseas. It is all sourced right here in the US and North America. The other thing that sets our springs apart from others is we have our own furnace to temper these springs. There aren't many spring factories out there that actually have their own furnace anymore, that are tempering their own springs. And a lot of these companies that are saying they have US springs, they're only assembled in the US, but the furnace, the tempering, and the materials typically do not come from the US. With JeepsterMan, all of that is sourced from the US, and it's our US workers that are putting these together. We've had a relationship with this company for over 20 years. The springs that we have that you see right here, these are all CJ flat fender springs that you see. So we offer springs for all the Willys and Jeep products, pretty much from 1941 to 71. We specialize in the earlier stuff, so I have all your flat fender springs, station wagon, pickup truck, Jeepster Commando, two-wheel drive Jeepster. We've got them all. The other thing that sets us apart from our springs, we have lift kits. As far as I know, we're the only company that has an actual spring lift kit. So we offer a 2-inch lift kit in just about every one of those vehicles that I discussed. One more thing I wanted to note is our bushings. So our bushings are different than what you'll see on a lot of other competitors. We use a perforated bushing that holds more grease. And as we all know, when these don't hold grease, that's when your shackles and bushings and such fail. So really a good bushing as well. So we wanted to talk about our springs today, right? And show everybody how good they are. And they're US made. You're keeping everybody employed here in the US, making these US materials, and really just excellent quality. If you need a custom spring, we can also do it as well. So because we aren't just a place that's selling parts, but we also work on these vehicles. Behind you, I have a lift. I am constantly working on Willys and Jeep vehicles. Anything from flat fenders, station wagons, Jeepster Commandos, all of them. So we work on these, and we also test these parts and make sure that they're good to go. So we're not just a place that sells parts. You can find all these springs on our website, thejeepsterman.com. Our email is sales@thejeepsterman.com. If you've got questions about them, you can call Everett and ask him, 314-798-6462. And we just thank you for watching our videos. Thanks.
Good job, John.
Fire right up.
Good job. That's on
Oh, God. No, he's tapping.
Yeah. Oh, my God.